Does using proxies in WinGate seem complicated? In this step-by-step video tutorial, you'll learn how to finish settings in a couple of minutes. To configure proxies in WinGate, download the app and follow the installation manager. Then open hidden icons, right-click on WinGate and choose WinGate Management. Then click the gray localhost box and wait until the app downloads modules. You also have to acquire a license. Once you start your free trial, click Finish. WinGate will reboot here and ask you to select a database. Remember the credentials the app shows you. Again, after the step is completed, press Finish. Now it's time to choose a user. Go with the Use another account option and enter credentials. Finalize by using the OK button. Now you can configure a proxy server. To do that, go to the left side navigation menu and scroll down to the Services. Right-click anywhere on the blank area and press Install Service. Select www proxy service and press Next. Give a name to your server and confirm it with Finish. As a new window appears, switch to the Bindings tab and remove all the options from binding policy. Then click Add, choose any external adapter and finish with OK. Now go to the Connection tab and tick boxes for Connect via Upstream Proxy and Proxy requires authentication. Paste your DataImpulse credentials and press Apply. It's ready! WinGate is a great app that performs many functions from configuring proxies to monitoring traffic. Yet to get the most out of it, you should choose a reliable proxy provider. DataImpulse offers legally sourced proxies for $1 per 1 GB and 24/7 human support. So follow the link in the description and see you in the next video.